In this episode, we're going to go over 10 massive reasons you need car insurance. Presented by 40inbox.com, where you can learn how to master your money. So number one, you can go to jail, right? And many people may not really think about this. They might not even think that this is actually a thing, but no. You can go to jail if you don't have insurance. And the reason why is that most people don't know this, but driving a car without insurance is illegal in nearly every state. In virtually every state, you must carry car insurance or face criminal fines. Repeated offenses could lead to the loss of your driver's license and even a jail sentence, which you do not want to happen. Number two is a massive purchase. And what we mean by this is that a car is a massive purchase. So, for most people, a car is the second largest purchase a person or family makes in their lifetime. It takes them to work, helps them run errands, and to put it simply, is an integral tool for people's lives. Thus, insurance protects this tool so that the person won't have their life just stop. Number three, your lender is a loan shark. So your lender will always want to be paid, and if you're having some troubles, they'll probably cap a few knees. So if you have an accident and you can't afford to get your vehicle repaired because you don't have car insurance, the company that provided you a car loan won't stop asking for monthly payments. Car insurance is one way to help ensure that you can continue to make your car loan payments. Number four, cars get you to work, thus helping you to make money. Cars get you to work. If you decide to forego insurance and then get into an accident and sustain damage you can't afford to repair, that doesn't affect your need to get to and from work and make other necessary daily trips. Car insurance helps pay for car repairs so you continue to make your daily trips. Not only that, the cost of a massive accident, which is number five, right? So, the cost of a major accident. One of the many important morals of car insurance is the money for medical costs of people who are injured in accidents that are your fault. Keyword, your fault. Of course, that includes any injuries you may suffer as well. Number six, legal battles suck. So, insurance provides legal protection. And there's nothing to stop someone from suing you after an accident, even if they are in the wrong. And in fact, many people will actually purposely get into a car accident. Now, this is rare, but some people will willingly, purposely get into a car accident to try to sue someone, right? Now, they'll try to set it up in a way that they're the victim, even though it's obviously not the case. But that doesn't stop them from trying to sue you. But car insurance gives you a buffer between legal claims and your wallet. That includes providing an attorney to handle any lawsuit stemming from a lawsuit over an automobile accident. It's just a really great way to protect yourself. Number seven, Mother Nature is mean. So protection from Mother Nature is another purpose of car insurance. What will you do if there's a mudslide, hurricane, or earthquake that damages or even totals your vehicle? An example, for a good example, so that you kind of know what we're coming from, right? For me personally, right, I had a truck, pretty much brand new truck, right? Only had it for about 4 months. I was driving one morning, it's pitch black outside, and out of nowhere, and I mean out of nowhere, 2 full-grown deers jumped out of a forest into the road, full clip into the side of my truck, right? And somehow that didn't completely damage the truck, but it left like a massive deer-sized dent into the side of the truck. And obviously those deers were either going to die from internal bleeding later on, or they basically somehow survived because I never saw them after that. But either way, Mother Nature can be pretty crazy sometimes, right? Because I mean, they went full clip into the side of the truck, right? So basically you got to think about it like this, like a truck going like about 55 miles per hour, and then two full-grown deers running full speed into the side of a truck, right? Like, it's just the craziest thing that I've ever seen. And yeah, it's pretty amazing that I didn't see their bodies everywhere, because that was crazy. But I definitely felt that thunk, right? That happened when they literally tackled or, basically sacked the truck. Now, I would face like a pretty heavy issue of possibly repairing the truck if I didn't have insurance, but I did, so it's no issue. So that can be a time when money is extremely tight, but car insurance provides some protection in those circumstances. For example, think of my situation, and let's just say that I didn't have insurance, right? It's a brand new truck with no car insurance. That would be a massive loss to my wallet, right? But I did have car insurance, so it literally didn't cost anything because it was a freak thing. It was Mother Nature. So number 8, your car can be stolen. Non-accident protection, car insurance can also be crucial if your vehicle is stolen or vandalized. That's one of the reasons why many insurance companies offer a break on insurance if a policyholder regularly parks his or her car off the street and in a covered garage, where the instances of theft and vandalism are much less prevalent, which is true. But I think we've all seen a video or a clip of basically a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ that was still stolen from a person's property that had a gate, right? But hey, that Lamborghini is covered because of good insurance. That's why it's always good to have good car insurance. Number 9, prevent bankruptcy. So you could stop a slide to bankruptcy from car insurance. So for many people, the uninsured loss of a vehicle completely turns their lives upside down. There's no money for another vehicle, so getting to work on time can be difficult, if not impossible. That can lead to loans or credit card use that could spiral out of control. For example, if you are basically living paycheck to paycheck and your car is not properly insured, guess what? You might be forced to go to one of the scummiest places that's ever existed, which is a payday loan service, right? And if your back is up against the wall and you see no opening, no light at the end of the tunnel, guess what? You're probably going to try to do that just so that you could end up getting to work, just so that you could keep your life continuing. And this kind of like ends up leading people to a lifetime of poverty, basically. Number 10, mental peace. So the peace of mind that comes with a properly insured car. Because car insurance helps in so many areas, not having insurance can lead to some nerve-wracking times, just hoping against hope that no other bad news arrives. Studies actually show that contented workers are more productive on the job. That's just one of the perks of peace of mind. So you can check out and watch more personal finance lessons. You can subscribe, you can like the video, you can check out 40inbox.com to master your money, and for personal finance courses, money tools, and links in the description of this episode. Now again, we cannot repeat this enough, but if you decide to get a car, if you decide to drive on the road, you must have car insurance, because not having car insurance could lead to massive destruction of your life, almost to a point where you won't be able to recover from it. So this is a very serious thing, and if you end up listening to this or watching this, make certain that you get car insurance. Even if the car insurance is expensive, it's better than not having car insurance. Like, having car insurance is a must. Like, there's no questions about it. You must have it.